review today on the Android 9.1, 10.1 Binize official double-din head unit. Man, that's a mouthful. We're gonna be covering the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the bass. Does it put out bass? We need more bass, guys. And if it can't put out bass, it's not for me. And it's definitely not for you. First, let's unbox this. Let's take a look. Look at that. Some interesting Photoshop work going on here. Very cool. Take a look inside. There it all is. We've got all of our cables here. Number one, looks like we got our RCAs. Everything is labeled nicely, so that's good. Tiny little booklet here. Plenty of Chinese people trying to speak coherent English. We'll see how this goes. It's pretty standard GPS dongle. I already have one, so it should plug in just fine. Appears to be a camera plug-in. Got our brackets for the outside. Actually glass. The front of this is glass. A module for it. This is it, guys. Are you kidding me? This is not going to put out a lot of power. If you need an amplifier with this, probably. And I do like that they have a fuse in here. Way to go, guys. Here on the left side, we've got our minus, our plus, back, home, power, reset, and microphone options. On the top, scrolling down, we've got our screen off and on option, car amplifier on and off, cleanup, screenshot, settings, car settings, and video output. And you also can connect to Wi-Fi. Let's go back to the home page. Here you can store your own music on it, and I don't have my car steering wheel hooked up or the DVR camera, so I won't be covering that. Bluetooth option, check it out. Stellar Bluetooth. The range extends well outside of the vehicle. They emphasized Bluetooth on this. You can control the other options down here for calls, and for your settings you've also got auto connect, and that's super nice. Power, auto answer if you want to, and only a 4-digit PIN connection, so that's pretty good. Coming over here, you can add multiple phones, and let's go ahead. I'll give you a demo, non-copyright music here real quick. Maybe not the best demo song, but let's continue on with everything that we've got. Let's go ahead and move over to the radio. Check it out.
They say baseball isn't like it used to be.
So yeah, the radio works really well too. Very nice. Moving on to our settings. Check it out. You can access your settings over here, or you can just press the setting icons here. Comes with an equalizer, pretty hard to tune, but once you get it, it sounds good. My only con on this is that you can't move the subwoofer option past the halfway point, because once you turn the volume up past 15, it begins to distort. So I'd recommend, for some reason, it won't let you keep turning the volume up if you turn the subwoofer option up past that with the hi-fi on. So yeah, keep the hi-fi option off and tune your settings and you'll be good to go. I am running external amplifiers, so I don't know how much power it's actually putting out or how much it's capable of. But yeah, very clear though, very good audio quality. I'm very happy with it. Up here in the corner, you're able to tune with this little dot where you want to move your audio to in the car to check your speakers, make sure they're all working. You haven't been blowing out your speakers you haven't replaced in 20 years. Moving over here, we've got our system information. Check it out. Android 9.1, which is newer. Flash, 32 gigs of storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and a quad-core processor. Very nice. Moving on, factory settings, passwords 8888. Car settings, haven't set it up. Android settings, feel free to check it out. You can do the stock Android changes that you want to. Hook up your Google account, check out your storage and sound and notifications. Feel free to do all of that. Down here, the GPS detection does work. I'm not going to click it because it shows where I am. Volume settings, brightness, you can play with that. And over here, we've also got our maps, our Navi select, so you can choose. I've got Google Maps set up for mine for offline viewing. Steering learn options, logo settings, pretty cool. You can actually change the logo you want to for your unit. And down here, you've got some additional settings, so feel free to check all that out. Very nice. Moving on from the settings to the apps, you've got all the apps. AV in, you can do AV out if you want to. You've got your in-video storage. We've got the user manual. You can open up your Gmail, all that cool stuff you'd expect to have on an Android device. And you can do some browsing. PhoneLink does work, actually. It was really hard for me to find the Tima app. I don't know why it was so hard for me to find it, but I did find it online, and I did do the Android USB connection, so that actually does work. My USB connection set up down there, so I did manage to test that out. Moving on to the next step, let's go ahead and exit out of that. We've got Spotify. So if you connect Pandora, Spotify, any of the apps to the device, you will find that the audio quality is ever so slightly better. On to the next thing, you can hook up your USB DVR and YouTube options for watching your videos in car. If you want to watch Netflix in the car, go ahead. Just don't do it while you're driving. So overall, I wanted to give you my review on this unit. Check it out. We've got all this stuff open, and it's just so snappy. It has really good Bluetooth quality. I think what most people are looking for in these units is they step in their car, they want to see what's on the radio, or they want to open one of their apps or play some music on their drive to work. And this will do that for you, and it looks super cool. Your friends can get in the car. They'll be really impressed with this snazzy looking unit. It comes with a thick glass panel. Do you guys hear that? Thick glass. But I didn't forget, we've got the GPS test coming up next. Hit start. Oh, there we go. Okay. And here we go. Let's go ahead and do it. I am just going to watch the road. I can't be watching the other screen right now. So this is just for the GPS test. We're going to see how well it works. It's right on the money. Definitely would want to change that, but well, it does work. So if you download your maps to it, hey, you're good to go. Moving on from the GPS test. Yes, the GPS test was successful on this device as expected. So you can expect this unit to be, it is an absolute gem for $100. This one cost me a little bit extra, but that's okay. You can get your hands on this for around $100. And I thought I would really miss the adjustable option of the Eon, but I'll tell you what, everything on this device has made up for it. I'm super happy. And I didn't even load a launcher over it. So it's really a great unit. I'm super happy with its quality, and I can turn my vehicle on and off, and it just loads up instantly, and my music can start playing again. So I don't have a lot of complaints about this device. I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review today. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, subscribe today, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, baby. Hit that bell icon. subscribe, share it with your friends, and please leave a comment below on what you think. Do you like it? Do you not? I will go ahead and continue to update you guys on how the device is performing over time. So you all, whoever's watching, have a great day. Thanks so much. Love you guys very much. I appreciate your subscribe.